Hello everyone, welcome to Animesh Verma Delivery Excellence channel. In today's video, we are going to demystify the entire DevOps lifecycle from writing code to code review to deployment and finally how we measure delivery excellence using DORA Metrics. So sounds interesting, right? So let's start. This video is basically designed for delivery managers, engineering leaders, DevOps engineers, agile coaches, and anyone who wants predictability, high quality software to be delivered to the client. And if you want to understand how high performing teams deliver faster, safer, and better, this video is for you. So hope you like it. Now let's start. What is DevOps? Let me be in a very short form. I'll just spend 2 minutes with you all. Now, first of all, this is the myth that DevOps is a tool. No, DevOps is not a tool. DevOps is not a role. DevOps is a culture, process, and automation strategy that brings development and operations together. The core goal of DevOps is very simple. Deliver values to customer faster, more frequently, and more reliably. DevOps basically focus on continuation integration, continuous delivery, automation, fast feedback, reliability, and measurement. A mature DevOps process ensures small frequent changes, faster recovery from failures, high quality and stability, clear visibility of delivery performance. So as per my previous videos which I have already discussed about back to basics, now see that these are very important. Now I am coming basically to the little bit of advanced version of the entire delivery processes which are very much important in today's era where we are using entire set of artificial intelligence tool, but most of them are basically based on DevOps plus Agile in terms of entire set of delivery format. Now, end-to-end DevOps process overview. What exactly it is? The DevOps lifecycle typically looks like code deployment, code commit and version control, code review and quality gates, continuation integration, this is called as CI, automated testing, continuation development, that is CD, monitoring and feedback, and last but not the least, measurement using DORA Metrics. So metrics is very much important to measure the entire set of performances and the code quality overall so that we could have a zero escalation with the client. Typically it is zero, it's not exactly zero, but near about a zero escalation. Now step one of the code deployment is everything starts with a business requirement or a customer needs. You know that, right? Now developers pick user story or a task, right? As I told you, most of the projects are delivered in Agile format if that project is to be delivered in the Agile project, right? Then the second thing is write code in a small incremental changes and following code standards and best practices, which are very important. Now, what are the key principles? Small commits, feature branches, clean, readable code, automated test written alongside code. This sets the foundation for faster and safer delivery. Okay. Now what is step 2, which is code commit and version control? Once code is written, it is committed to a version control system like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, etc. The best practices, each change is committed with meaningful message. Code is pushed to feature branch, not directly to the main branch, and branching strategies like git flow, trunk based development, and this ensures a very nice traceability, collaboration, rollback capabilities to ensure that the code quality is in a very good format and can be delivered in a short duration of time with following all the quality gates. Now coming to the step 3, that is code review process, where I am really emphasizing more and more. Now code review is critical for quality and knowledge sharing. Typical code review flow: developers raises a pull request or a merge request, right? Automated checks start running in terms of build, unit test, code coverage, static code analysis like Sonar Cube, etc., which I discussed in the previous videos. Now, peer review the code for logic correctness, security issues, performance, maintainability. Then feedback is given, developer updates code if needed, or simply the pull request is approved and they are merged, right? Now, strong DevOps teams ensure review are fast, feedback is constructive, no long running review cycles. Fast reviews equals to fast delivery. This is what the motto was in the previous videos I have clearly defined, right? Now coming to the fourth stage, that is continuous integration, which is called as CI. Once the code is merged, continuation integration kicks in. Now CI pipeline automatically have build the application, run unit tests, runs integration tests, perform security scans, generate artifacts. Now common CI tools may be Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Azure DevOps. The goal of CI is direct issues early or detect the issues early. Basically, I should be telling that. Prevent broken code from moving forward. This is very important, right? Ensure the main branch is always stable, and that's the main key area of a stability of the code, right? See how well filtered code is getting into format, right? Now continuation deployment, that is CD. Now after CI, that is in continuation integration, we move to the continuation deployment or continuation delivery. Deployment process includes packaging the application, deployment to environments like dev environment, QA environment, staging environment, or production environment. Infrastructure has a code, that is Terraforms, ARM, cloud formations, etc. And containerizations, that is called as Dockers, and orchestrations, that is called as Kubernetes. Deployments are automated, repeatable, and vision controlled, right? Advanced teams use blue-green deployment, canary releases, feature toggles, etc. This allows zero downtime deployment and safe release. Step 6 is the monitoring and the feedback. After deployment, the job is not done yet. Team monitors application health, performance, errors, user experience. Tools includes Prometheus, Grafana, ELX Stack, Datalog, or New Relic. Maybe some other tools might come in picture, but these are the major ones. Feedback loops helps the team to identify issues quickly, roll back if it is needed, and improve future releases, right? Continuation format. See. Now coming to the very important section of the entire DevOps, that is called as DORA Metrics, because measurement is very important to measure the entire delivery processes. So measuring delivery excellence is from DORA Metrics. What exactly it is? DORA metrics are the industry standard metrics used by elite DevOps teams. Well, there are 4 major key DORA metrics. First is deployment frequency. How often do we deploy to production? Elite team deploys multiple times a day. Low performing teams deploy once in a week or month. High deployment frequencies means smaller changes, lower risk, faster customer values. Second is the lead time for changes. How long does it take from code commit to production? And this measures pipeline efficiency, review speed, automation maturity. Elite teams deliver changes in hours or days, not weeks or months. Why? Because if there are frequent changes, then it will lead to a very big issue later on, because the dependency is very high, and in a fast-paced change mode, we do not have time to do too much of changes in the code, right? Which will impact the overall quality of the delivery which we want to give to the client. I don't want to repeat it again, but just to have a recap what we discussed in our previous videos. Okay, folks, the next one is, and the fourth one is mean time to restore, which we call MTTR. How fast can we recover from the failure? Now, elite teams restore service in minutes, use automation and monitoring, patience incident response regularly, because it is continuation form. So you have to be very clear that I really discussed earlier, Savdhani Hati, Durgatna Ghati. So this is what the importance is, right? Now, important points, or the fifth point is how high performing teams use DORA metrics, right? DORA metrics are not for punishments. It's absolutely not. It is only helping you to deliver the best of the code. So don't take as a punishment, like in a lighter note. Now, they are used to identify the bottlenecks, improve the flow, enable leadership decisions, drive continuous improvement. Delivery excellence means fast, safe, predictable, customer-centric delivery, because this is very, very important. Now, guys, to summarize, DevOps success comes from strong engineering practices, automated pipelines, fast feedback, and data-driven measurement using DORA metrics. So if you want to build high-performing delivery team, DevOps is not optional, it is essential. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe Animesh Verma Delivery Excellence, and share it with your delivery and engineering team. See you in the next video. Thank you, goodbye, take care, and be very happy.